Welcome to our channel. Today, we unveil the top 5 best dash cams in 2025, showcasing cutting-edge features, crystal-clear recording, and AI-powered safety tools. Stay tuned until the end to discover a surprising model that's redefining vehicle security, and it might just be the perfect fit for your car. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Garmin 67W Dash Cam. A compact powerhouse packed with smart features. Let's see if this tiny cam is worth the spot on your windshield. The Garmin 67W is impressively compact, barely noticeable once mounted. Despite its size, it records crisp 1440p HD video using Garmin Clarity HDR optics. The ultra-wide 180-degree lens ensures you capture everything, day or night, with stunning clarity and detail. Hands full? No problem. Voice control lets you save footage, take photos, or start recording just by speaking. It's available in multiple languages, making operation easy and distraction-free while you're on the road. Your saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi to Garmin's secure online vault. No more fumbling with memory cards, just access and share footage anytime through the Garmin Drive app on your phone. When parked, the camera watches your car. The parking guard alerts you to incidents, and Live View lets you remotely monitor your vehicle, perfect for peace of mind while you're away. Built-in driver alerts like forward collision warnings and lane departure help you stay aware. Connect multiple Garmin dash cams for full coverage, all accessible through one app on your smartphone. The Garmin 67W dash cam is tiny but mighty, ideal for drivers wanting smart, reliable protection. If you value clarity, convenience, and peace of mind, this little device is a no-brainer. Number 4. The ROVE R3 Dash Cam. If you're looking for premium features, sleek design, and next-level user experience, stick around, because this one's seriously impressive. Let's get into it. The ROVE R3 features a gorgeous 3-inch IPS touchscreen. It's super responsive and only has one physical power button. Everything else is controlled through the smart interface. It's modern, intuitive, and makes navigating settings a breeze, even if you're new to dash cams. With front, cabin, and rear coverage, you're fully protected. Whether you're driving, parked, or carpooling, all angles are recorded in crisp detail. This triple-channel system really gives peace of mind, especially for rideshare drivers or families on the road. ROVE's custom apps for iOS and Android are game changers. With built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, video transfers are lightning fast. You can easily access, download, and share clips straight from your phone. It's smooth, quick, and extremely user-friendly. From the supercapacitor for safety to the infrared night vision, the R3 is packed with smart tech. Digital image stabilization, f1.4 lens aperture, and WDR ensure great footage, day or night. Even cabin recordings in total darkness come out clear. What really sets the ROVE R3 apart is the experience. From unboxing to daily use, everything feels premium. The firmware, voice guidance, and seamless app integration make it a joy to use. If you want a no-compromise dash cam, this is it. Number 3. The Cobra Smart SC 400D Dash Cam. With ultra-clear 4K video and a ton of high-tech features, this cam might just be your car's new best friend. Let's get into it. The SC 400D captures every detail with Ultra HD 4K resolution that's 4 times clearer than 1080p. Plus, it comes with a rear-facing camera for complete front and back coverage, even at night. Whether it's license plates or road signs, nothing gets missed. With the front and rear cams included and an optional cabin camera, you can cover every angle of your ride. Ideal for rideshare drivers or families, it records the road ahead, behind, and inside your car, all at once. Get turn-by-turn alerts right on the dash cam screen, even if your phone's map is in the background. It's super convenient, helping you stay focused and on time. The SC400D is the only dash cam that displays exclusive real-time police alerts, like speed traps and camera zones. It's like having a co-pilot watching the road ahead. You can view your dash cam remotely, thanks to the Drive Smarter app. It also sends instant incident reports to insurers and emergency alerts to loved ones in a crash. Total peace of mind. So, if you're looking for smart tech, crystal clear footage, and serious safety features, the Cobra SC400D has it all. Number 2. The Nextbase IQ Dash Cam. A next-gen dash cam packed with AI and safety features. Nextbase IQ's Smart Sense parking feature uses proximity sensors and AI to detect threats before they happen. Whether someone gets too close or tries tampering, you'll receive instant alerts. Plus, voice and alarm features help you react in real time. With Guardian mode, you can set speed and location boundaries and monitor your car remotely. It's perfect for keeping an eye when someone else is driving. Tap into live footage and even speak directly through the IQ app. Feeling unsafe in your car? Just say, "Start witness mode." The IQ instantly begins recording and sends a live feed to a trusted contact. It's like having a backup ride-along anytime you need support. In case of an accident, the dash cam can automatically contact emergency services. It sends your exact location and medical details, even if you're unresponsive, helping you get help fast when seconds count. With RoadWatch AI, you can see the speed and behavior of surrounding vehicles in any recording. This helps capture full context in accidents and can be key for insurance or legal purposes. The Nextbase IQ2K is more than just a dash cam, it's a full vehicle safety system. If you value peace of mind and smart features, this one's a game changer. Number 1. The VIOFO A329 4K Dash Cam. A serious upgrade for anyone looking to capture ultra-clear footage on the road. With true 4K at 60 frames per second and loads of premium features, this dash cam is a game changer. Experience road footage like never before with true 4K at 60 frames per second on the front and 2K on the rear. Whether it's capturing fast motion or subtle license plate details, the A329 nails it with razor-sharp video day or night, no blurry frames, just crystal clarity. Both cameras use Starvis 2 image sensors, 8MP front and 5MP rear. These aren't just buzzwords, they deliver vivid low-light performance, reduced motion blur, and an ultra-wide dynamic range. The result? Clean, detailed footage even in tricky lighting or fast-moving traffic. Sharing your footage has never been this fast. The A329 is the first dash cam with Wi-Fi 6, giving you lightning-fast downloads, think 1-minute 4K clip in under 10 seconds. Perfect for emergencies or just saving cool road moments with ease. No more deleting clips. The A329 supports up to 4 TB SSDs and 512 GB microSD cards. That means over 3 weeks of footage stored, ideal for long-haul drivers or road trippers who need serious space without constant file management. With HDR and Starvis 2 tech, this cam handles both bright daylight and dark tunnels effortlessly. Fast-moving plates are clearly visible, helping you feel safer and more protected, whether it's for evidence or peace of mind during your drives. All in all, the VIOFO A329 is a powerhouse dash cam with premium features packed into a sleek build. From stunning video quality to lightning-fast Wi-Fi and unmatched storage, it's worth every penny. When choosing a dash cam, consider your specific needs, such as the desired video quality, the importance of front and rear recording, parking surveillance requirements, and any preferred smart features to find the best fit for your vehicle and driving habits. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our YouTube channel family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.